Okay, so let's test out how I did sharpening this little knife right here. I use this, which is the thing that came in the um, Roland Welker cord. I've been using this to sharpen my knives. They seem to be doing good. This is cardboard. Supposed to see this. I say it's sharp. So I get a piece of paper. Do I not have a piece of paper? I should have a piece of paper. Huh. Ah, I see. This is this. Nah, it's not. No. But yeah. So yeah. Um. So yeah, it does seem sharper. So, huh. Let me kind of find something real quick. Oh, yeah. Let me sharpen it. Where'd it go? Oh, yeah. Now let's I have situational awareness, and I'm doing this. Don't worry, it's not coming towards me in any capacity. Okay. Now, let it go. Then what I do to wipe it to clean off is use this to clean this off. Now let's try it. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's getting better. What you could also do is like do some water or like whatever on the thing and just I know I'm gonna get a comment, but I'm not. Maybe I'm doing regular alcohol in this because why not? See? Now let's get the box. And let's see if it'll do it. Okay. Still needs a little bit. Let's just see if I can do this. Okay, that still needs more. That's okay. The knife is not near me, so yeah. It should be enough, good enough just so I can actually, use this. Let me also wipe off the handle. Okay. First, let me see how good it go in. Oh, Jesus, or its limit. Let me give it a fair shot. It can kind of cut, so that's good. That it can cut. I'm gonna give it every chance in the world. I know I should probably be using one of those cheapo ones for this, but I have some sandpaper. Let's give it the best chance in the world. Right, let's see. Okay. Not really cutting. That cuts. Sometimes cuts, sometimes does not. Okay. Let's see if it does for this one. Not really, but it is sharp enough that I can use it for cutting different things. Let me... Okay. Decent. I'm gonna have to like sharpen it way more. But it is shiny, so it's getting sharp enough. Okay. So yeah. Kind of test. It can definitely those the cup of noodle things. So yeah. Now I just want to do a little test. Anyway, peace.